Today let's make super tasty South Indian special chickpea and potato sukka. Trust me, very easy, very simple to make, and it's high protein, perfect for your lunch, dinner and tiffin as well. To make this in a blender, I've added in grated coconut. Now as this is South Indian special, in South India we tend to add coconut for everything. So this is one of those dishes as well. So in the blender I've added in grated coconut. Once you add in grated coconut, you can add in sambar powder. Sambar powder, any brand is fine. Add a little bit of sambar powder, add a little bit of water, grind it into a coarse paste and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I have added in oil. Once the oil has heated up, I've added in mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now let's fry the mustard seeds and the curry leaves till it splatters and it's nice and crispy and the flavor of the curry leaves is infused in the oil. Now I'm adding in a little bit of asafoetida or hing and then fried really very well, just getting everything together. Because we are adding chickpea and potatoes, adding hing or asafoetida is very good because it's good for gastric and bloating as well. Now I'm adding in chopped potatoes. Chopped potatoes, once you add it, I've cut it into small cubes like this. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Toss the potatoes really very well. Now just at this stage, keep the gas on a low medium because we don't want to cook the potatoes on high flame and cook it from outside and inside it tends to be raw. So keep it on a low flame. Now let's season it up with some salt. Next I'll be adding in some turmeric powder and mix it really very well. As I said, the gas needs to be on low medium and then toss it really very well till the potatoes are cooked nicely inside and outside and the potatoes needs to turn crispy and golden. That is when we can next add our chana. Here next step is where I'll be adding in chana. Please note I've soaked the chickpeas for overnight, or you can soak it at least for 6 hours and then cook it in your cooker by adding in some. I've just added in salt and cooked it. So this is cooked chickpeas which I'm adding in. Once you add in your chickpeas, next I'll be adding in the coconut masala which we grinded previously along with the sambar powder. Now mix everything really very well till it comes together nicely. Then we'll add in a little bit of water just to get that semi-gravy kind of consistency. So I'll be adding in a little bit of warm water. Whenever you're adding any kind of water while cooking, please note you need to add in warm water. Now I've added in jaggery as well just to balance the taste and to get that perfect flavor to our chickpea and potato curry. Toss it really very well. Check for the salt at this stage and that's it. Your super simple, super easy South Indian special chickpea and potato sukka is ready. You can have this with rice, dal, and this will be a great side and even for your rasam, rice or chapati or roti. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback on the comments below. As I said, please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description. Try this recipe. Everyone will love it. Kids will love it. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.